you ready? Are you ready for 8 Sundays of portion and power of the anointing? Date Sunday 4th of May through Sunday the 22nd of June 2025. Taking place live at Freedom Life International Christian Center. First service 5:40 a.m. Second service 7 a.m. Third service 8:30 a.m. Fourth service 10 a.m. and fifth service is at 11:30 a.m. Join us every Sunday throughout the month of May 2025, featuring praise and worship. The word.
Jesus did not have any strongholds of any kind, but one area that Jesus suffered stronghold is the area of betrayal. They betrayed him. Peter betrayed him. Judas betrayed him. Jesus was betrayed. Even from heaven, one of the strongholds that Satan have used to fight heaven is betrayal.
Deliverance.
Jesus' name. Fire! Let her go! Let her go! Yes, let her go! 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 Let her go!
The prophetic.
You have toiled over. You have toiled. You have toiled. You are tired. You are tired. You are even thinking, should I kill myself? Nothing is working. Nothing. Everything they've asked you to do, you've done it. Let me tell you, somebody is using your hair.
Healing.
Clear life on the neck. The stiffness cease. Go and check your baby.
Testimonies.
Kidney problem, kidney this one. For waiting, I daydream, I say our daddy. He said, close your mind, nothing will happen. That operation will cancel. I say, amen. Daddy said, go. It's settled. So after the test, 270,000, the operation is 6 million. So read the next day. Now my pikin come. He said, Mommy, you don't cancel the operation. See where I go now. Behold, my brothers and sisters, till today, my soul hand don't heal for 80,000 naira. For operation 6 million.
Venue number 55 Isashi Road, beside Mobile Filling Station of Gospel Bus Stop, Isashi, Lagos State, Nigeria. Ministering Pastor Tochukwu.
Let me be released. Be released. Be released. Be released. Be released. Be released. The marriage is released in this season.
For more information and inquiry, please call or WhatsApp +234 80 396 20383.
That miscarriage that happened last year is not permitted to come this year. That emptiness you had last year is not permitted to come this year. What do you have against the Lord? For he shall make an altar end for affliction, shall not repeat the second time.
Don't miss any of our Sunday services from Sunday the 4th of May through Sunday the 22nd of June 2025. Don't miss it. Be there.